So good day, I'm Edward Vincent as Mosquera. So today I'm going to tackle is all about encrypting a hard drive in virtual environment in Windows OS. So the requirements of this is your machine must have a virtual machine. In my case, I have a VMware. So we are going to use VMware on this tutorial. So first is we are going to go to the virtual machine. So since I have a Windows ISO, and also you should install a Windows image file or .iso, and also put it in a virtual machine. So once you have a Windows virtual machine in your VMware, go to VM and settings, because we are going to add another hard disk. So next, I'm going to choose this, or we can choose NVMe. Create a new virtual disk, and the gigabyte of this is 10 because of what or the instruction said that 10 gigabyte or more. So I'm going to just choose input the 10 gigabyte. So next and finish, and then save. So it has now another hard disk. So you just run the Windows OS. So right now we are in Windows. So if we will see, we have we have only local disk C. So in order to allocate the unallocated drive, so we are going to this mgmt.msc. So just input this in your and so just click, and also use GPT for GID partition table. So as you can see, this is the unallocated that we have set earlier, and just right click on this and new simple volume, and next. So next, so we can set the local into E. So since this is C, so we are going to set this into local disk E. And also it is a must that we must set NTF as the file system. Just click next, finish, and it's going to wait. So now it has a new disk. So what we're going to do next is we are going to add a BitLocker on this hard disk. So just go to the control panel, and also search the BitLocker and manage bit. So since we want this to have a encryption, so we must choose the volume E, not C. So just turn on BitLocker. So we can set a password. So the password, in my case, I will just copy this next. So we can save this into a file. So this is the BitLocker that I did earlier, so we are going to save another file, so another password, and click next. So next, it's so laggy, and choose the new encryption mode because it is best for fixed drives on this device, and start encrypting. So it is now set. So BitLocker is set on our hard disk, so we can restart the machine and hopefully it will run. So now we are in Windows. So what we're going to do this time is we are going to access this local disk E. But first, we are going to intentionally input the wrong password so that we can check if the BitLocker is working. So we can type random words, and unlock. As you can see, the password entered is incorrect. But if so this is my password. So cc 1 space $1 to the power of 6. So cc 1 space $to the power of 6. So this is the password on my local disk E. If we unlock it, we can now access the so we can now access the new volume or disk E. So I think so I think that's it for this tutorial. So I hope you learned something, and see you in another activity.